We are on the last day of IMTEX 2022 organized by Indian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association. We start this day with Advanced Mechanical Services Private Limited. They are based out of Bangalore, and I am having with me Rajiv. Rajiv is from Pune, and you take care of the AMS India business in Pune, right?
Yes, Western region.
Western region.
Sales.
Here at this exhibition, they have exhibited a robo which is helping to get additive manufacturing,
Yes, 3D printing.
3D printing through a robot.
Yes.
Can you just tell me about this?
Yeah. Actually, the theme of our stall for this IMTEX exhibition has been 3D printing, both 3D printing services as well as 3D printing machines. We are selling 3D printing hardware as well. And this time the unique thing that we are displaying this time is the ABB Robot, which is integrated with the AMS Spiral extruder by our very brilliant team, and they are doing 3D printing using the ABB Robot. Now in this case, what is happening is the Robo is working as a master and the PLC is working as a slave. So basically with the PLC they are controlling the flow through the extruder, and thereby the desired form or desired 3D model is getting printed. The advantages of this kind of 3D printing is that it gives you a great amount of flexibility, whereby you can even do a lot of printing with less amount of support. So thereby the material content which is required for printing the part gets substantially reduced, as well as the desired form can be achieved. For example, even complex profiles, curvilinear profiles, they can also be printed by this particular printer.
See, I am understanding this is a new innovation because I have not seen something like this. Is it something you launched it here, or is it somewhere available outside, or is it something came from AMS India, this product?
This concept has been tried by many others, but we have tried it by using an industrial robo, whereby we have taken an ABB robo and we can expand it even to other makes. But here we are focusing primarily with the ABB robo, so that you can achieve 3D printing with a great amount of flexibility, as well as with focus on productivity and complex curvilinear profiles to be done using this particular robot.
This is really exciting. And which are the applications, which are the industries who can come and take this particular product?
So basically all those industries which are wanting to have a 3D printer with the relatively practical limitation of accuracy, they can go for this type of printing, and which can be followed by post finishing, so that you can achieve your desired prototypes. Basically 3D printing helps a lot for prototyping. Basically all the pre-batch production activities, this sort of 3D printing will be very helpful.
Okay, this 3D printer, which along with the ABB robot, industrial robot, what AMS India exhibited here,
Yes.
can help companies in their design and prototype. Today is the last day. If you are able to see this and if you are able to make up and see this product, please come. Otherwise, anytime, get in touch with Rajiv at Pune or Shashidhar at Bangalore,
Yes, sir.
where you can come and see this product and see that how it can be useful for your industry.